Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurements and the lessons. So we're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are measure using an inch ruler, which customary unit is appropriate, compare and convert customary units of length, compare and convert customary unit of weight, and compare and convert customary unit of volume. Okay, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Here I am on grade 4 math. The chapter we're going to start with is unit of measurement. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is hold on. Okay, here I am. We're going to start with the first lesson, that is measure using an inch ruler, right? Okay, so may move your ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So you are given a line, you have to measure the length of the line, right? You need to find the length of the line. So how do you find the length of the line? You have to line up the left end of the line with the mark 0 on the ruler, right? The right end of the line is at the, you lined up this side, right? And here is the measurement of this line, because the line is at the 2 inches mark. That means the line is about 2 inches long. The correct option is 2 inches long, right? So you have a ruler at your home with you. Do as many practice questions as you can, right? Make lines and clear the lines, right? Move the ruler to find the Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So which is the correct option? The line is about, yes, if you measure the line is around 3 inches, the correct option is 3. You are given 3 of the options, 1, 3 and 5. So the line is around 3 inches long. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. The line is about, you have to line up the 0 with the right end of the line, right? And on the other end, you can find the measurement. So the line is about That is only 1 inch wrong. The correct option is 1. Please write the answers 1. I can read your answers, so just write them once. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest end. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the line is about 2 inches long. The correct option is 2 inches long. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to nearest inch. So, which is the correct option? So, if you move the ruler to measure the length of the line is around 3 inches long. The correct option is 3 inches, right? Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is only 1 inch long, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is which customary unit is appropriate. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which is the better estimate for the height of a hamster? 2 pounds, 2 ounces. Weight of the hamster. That is 2 pounds or 2 ounces. Hamster is 2 pounds, right? Because 2 ounces is too much for the hamster. What's wrong with it? That is 2 ounces because 2 pounds is too heavy, right? So the correct option is 2 ounces. Let's just start with the. Okay, the next one is which is the better estimate for the height of a room? Which is the correct option? 10 yards, 10 feet. So the correct option is 10 feet, right? Because 10 yards is too much for the height of the room. The correct option is 10 feet it is. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a bathroom sink? 7 tablespoons, 7 pence, which is the correct option. The correct option is the correct option is 7 pence it is, right? Because 7 tablespoons is too small, too less. So the correct option is 7 pence. Which is the better estimate for the distance of a day long hike? That is the hiking, right? Day long hike. So that would be 10 miles. The 10 feet is too less. I am not in Japan, Russia, North Korea, South Korea, and parts of Indonesia. Why you are interested to know where I am? Which is a better estimate for the height of a coffee maker? 19 feet, 19 inches. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 19 in 19 feet it is. No, I think 19 inches it is because it isn't too long. Yes, that is 19 inches, right? No, I'm not from India. I'm from Pakistan. Simran, I think you from India. Which is a better estimate for the length of a jump rope? So, which is the correct option? 4 yards, 4 inches. That is 4 yards, right? Because 4 inches is too small for a jump rope. But 4 yards is too much, I think. No, it's 4 yards. 4 yards it is. 4 yards it is, not 4 inches. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a bookshelf? 45 pounds, 45 tons. Which is the correct option? Weight of a bookshelf, right? It would be 45 tons. No, I think 45 tons is too much. In 1 ton, you have 2000 pounds. That is 45 pounds, not 45 tons, because 45 tons is too much, right? In 1 ton, you have 2000 pounds. So it is 45 pounds. Which is the better estimate for the distance of a long running race? 5 miles, 5 inches. Yes, 5 miles because that is a long running race. That would be 5 miles. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a fire truck? 13 tons, 13 ounces. But now here you have a truck, right? So it is in 13 tons, right? Because tons is too much. So 45 truck it can be tons, right? Which is the better estimate for the weight of a coffee mug? 1 ounce, 1 pound. Which is the correct option? Yes, 1 ounce it is because okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare and convert customary units of length. Okay, you have 12 inches equal how many feet? They are the very basic units, right? If you can learn these basic units, that is very easy for you for the rest of the lesson. So the first one is you have 12 inches equal how many feet? So 1 feet equal 12 inches, right? The correct option is 1 feet equal 12 inches. Got it? Okay, the second one is convert 5,280 feet equals how many miles? So 1 mile equal 5,280 feet. Got it? 1 mile equal 5,280 feet. Which is more, 1,076 miles or sorry, which is more, 1,076 yards or 1 mile? So which is the correct option? In 1 mile you have 1,760 yards, right? So here you are given 1076. So 1076 is less than 1760, right? So 1 mile is more than 1076 yards. Got it? Let's just start with the test question. Which is more, 1 mile or 10,291 feet? Which is the correct option? No, 1 mile is not more. 10,200. 1 mile equal 5,200 something. I forgot. 5,200 and the correct option is 10,291 feet. 5,240, right? Okay, which is more, 12 inches or 1 foot? Which is the correct option? They are exactly equal. 1 foot equal 12 inches. So they are exactly equal. 1 mile equal how many yards? Which is the correct option? Yes, 1 mile equal 1,760 yards. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, convert 1 yard equal how many inches, which is the correct option? 1 yard equal 36 inches, not 45. The correct option is 36 inches. I have already told you these are the very basic units. You can note them down and try to remember them. 1 yard equal 36 inches. Which is more, 1 yard or 6 feet? 1 yard equal, in 1 yard you have 3 feet, right? So obviously 6 feet is more. 6 feet is more, right? 1 foot equal how many inches? 1 foot equal, the correct option is 12 inches, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is the next one is compare and convert customary units of weight. Let's just start with the lesson. The one we have just finished is units of length. Let's just start with the example. 2000 pounds equal how many ton? So these are the basic units, right? 1 ton equal 2000 pounds. Let's just start with the test questions, right? Okay, how many pounds equals 16 ounces? Which is the correct option? 1 pound equal 16 ounces. The correct option is 1 pound. Okay, which is more, 1 ton or 2,869 pounds? So, which is the correct option? 2,869 is more, right? Because in 1 ton you have 2,000 pounds. So 2,869 is more. The correct option is 2,869 pounds. Which is more, 1 pound or 14 ounces? Which is the correct option? Yes. No, 14 ounces is more. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Yes, you're right. 1 pound is more than 14 ounces. 2,000 pounds equal how many tons? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, 2,000 pounds equal 1 tons. The correct option is 1 ton. Which is more, 1 pound or 31 ounces? Which is more? 1 pound is more? How? In 1 pound you have 16 ounces. So which is more? 16 ounces or 31 ounces? 31 ounces is more than, the correct option is 31 ounces. Isn't it? Hello everyone, can you hear me? Which is more, 1 ton or 3,688 pounds? Which is the correct option? 3,688 pounds is more than 1 ton, right? Because in 1 ton you have 2,000 pounds. So the correct option is 3,688, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. No, not 1 ton. In 1 ton you have just 2,000 pounds. The next one is compare and convert customary units of volume. The next one is compare and convert customary units of volume. Okay, that now we're going to learn the units of volume, right? So 4 quarts equal how many gallons? 1 gallon equal 4 quarts, right? Okay, so which is more, 2 cups or 1 pint? They both are exactly equal. That means 1 pint equal 2 cups. Got it? 1 pint equal 2 cups. Let's just start with the test questions. Which is more, 12 pints or 1 gallon? Which is the correct option? 1 gallon equal 8 pints, right? 1 gallon is 8 pints. No, that means 12 pints is more, right? Because 1 gallon equal 8 pints. So the correct option is 12 pints. Which is more, 2 cups or 1 quarts? Which is the correct option? One quart equal 4 cups, right? So which is more? 1 quart is more because 1 quart equal 4 cups. No, 16 times 16 is not 121, that's 11 time 11. 16 times 16 is 256. 8 pints equal how many gallons? 8 pints equal 1 gallon. 1 gallon equal 8 pints. So the correct option is 1 gallon. Okay, 4 cups equal how many quarts? 4 cups equal 1 quart. The correct option is 1. Which is more, 3 cups or 1 pint? Which is the correct option? 1 pint is more because 1 pint equal 4 cups, right? 1 pint equal 2 cups, sorry, not 4 cups. The 3 cups is more. 1 gallon equal how many quarts? 1 gallon equal 4 quarts. The correct option is 4. 1 pint equal how many cups? 1 pint equal 2 cups. The correct option is 2. 1 gallon equal how many pints? One gallon equal 8 pints. The correct option is 8. Which is more, 1 gallon or 2 quarts? The correct option is 1 gallon is more, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 maths. The chapter we were working on is unit of measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are they are measure using an inch ruler, which customary unit is appropriate, compare and convert customary units of length, compare and convert customary units of weight, and then compare and convert customary unit of volume, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. Right? So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all of your questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, bye everyone.